Ever wondered how to diagnose issues or verify configurations when troubleshooting Palo-Alto Network's firewalls? Understanding CLI or command line interface commands can be the key to unlocking this puzzle. Let's explore some of the most commonly used Palo Alto troubleshooting commands. First, there is the show command. This command, when followed by various subcommands, allows you to view different aspects of the firewall's configuration and status. For instance, show system info displays system information, show interface lists interface status and configurations, and show routing route shows the routing table. To list all current sessions, you can use show session all, and show running config will display the running configuration. Next, there's the ping command. This command is used to test network connectivity to a specific host. The ping source command, followed by the source IP address and the host's destination IP address, tests connectivity using a specific source IP address. Output. The traceroute command shows the path that packets take to reach a destination. This is done by following the command with host and the IP address you're investigating. Then we have the TCP dump command. This command allows you to capture and inspect network packets for troubleshooting purposes. For example, TCP dump filter host followed by a specific IP address captures traffic to or from that address. Palo Alto provides various debug commands to trace and analyze specific issues. These commands, such as debug data plane packet diag set filter on and debug software restart process, are typically used under the guidance of Palo Alto support. The commit check command checks the configuration for errors without applying any changes. This is particularly useful to catch configuration errors before committing. Palo Alto firewalls generate extensive logs, which can be viewed in real time using commands like tail. For instance, tail follow yes MP log system log follows system logs in real time, while tail follow yes traffic log follows traffic logs in real time. The test security policy match command tests whether a specific security policy rule allows or denies traffic based on the given source, destination, and service. Lastly, test security policy match followed by the source zone, source IP, destination zone, destination IP, and protocol tests whether a packet matches a specific security policy rule. In summary, the key to troubleshooting Palo Alto Network's firewalls lies in understanding and correctly using these CLI commands. From the show command to inspect various aspects of the firewall's configuration and status, to the ping and traceroute commands for connectivity checks, the debug commands for detailed analysis, the commit check command to catch configuration errors before committing, and the tail command to follow logs in real time. Each command plays a vital role in troubleshooting firewall issues.